बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है।
अच्छा, मेरा सवाल कैटरीना जी से है कि सलमान जी नहीं चाहते कि आप उनको भाईजान बोलें, तो आप कौन सी जान बोलना चाहेंगे?
मेरी जान।
On your left,
Personal
Katrina.
जिंदगी में
one
बड़ा
sec.
दिलचस्पी रखते हैं बेटा।
We'll address it.
Liar.
No. You need
Like that, you're commenting on everything. I get into trouble when I up my Insta game. घर चले जाओ, आप देख लोगे उनको पर्दे। इस फिल्म के लिए उनको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलेगा। Seriously, without jokes, देख लेना आप।
Lots of thinking today in the questions and answers. Yeah.
Nice. कौन सा ऐसा चैप्टर है जो कि वापस से दोहराना चाहेंगे, हाँ? और नहीं दोहराना चाहेंगे? ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल सवाल है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मेरे जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं वो बड़े ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहे, और जब तक कि वो नहीं थे ज़िंदगी में मैं नहीं होता, तो इवन जो भी हुआ है मेरे साथ, आई एम फॉर्चुनेट के हुआ है मेरे साथ, ताकि मैं उन सब चीज़ों ने मुझे इस मुकाम पे लाके खड़ा कर दिया।
You know, before I come to Salman sir, there's one comment that came from the fans. Why don't you like or comment Salman sir's pictures on Instagram? Apparently, this has come across. Do you like? So, do you not like and I mean, I wasn't aware of this, but do you not like and comment on Salman sir's pictures?
You know, it's not intentional, but now that you say it, I'm thinking about it, and yeah, I think you need
Like that, you're commenting on everything.
I think I think you need to maybe up your Insta game.
Huh?
I think you need to up your Insta game.
I get into trouble when I up my Insta game.
Okay, so basically, we're going to see a few more likes and comments coming across. Right.
I'm going to be more attentive to this for sure.
She's not like appreciating, not liking any of my pictures. जो भी है.
Apparently, sir. Apparently, I wasn't aware of this. Apparently, this is what the fans are saying.
Whose pictures is she liking?
Oh,
and commenting
I haven't really checked that out. But, you know, amazing to see you in so many avatars. I mean, lots of fanboy moments happening for the world. You know, दाढ़ी में देख रहे हैं सलमान सर को, अलग-अलग अवतार में, you know. This was a really big thing for you to also carry on. As an actor also, I think it must have challenged you the most. I mean, would I be wrong in saying challenged you the most in the longest time?
Even more than Sultan. Because my dear friend here, our director, Ali, I don't think he's ever been to the gym ever. Where are you going, madam? When my time to talk is come, you... I'm waiting. Chalo, chicken here behind. So it was even more difficult than Sultan.
Yeah.
Difficult is the word. Because in Sultan we had to do this, putting on weight, losing weight, putting on weight, losing weight, and shooting, gym, shooting, gym, shooting, gym. Out here also it was pretty much the same, because to look younger you need to lose those many kilos. And because we produced the film ourselves, so we could not like complete that portion first.
Yeah.
So we had that portion, then we did that portion and that portion, because the set was the same. Usko bar, we couldn't have, you know, dragged it on for long. So then losing weight there, then putting on weight there. So it was very hectic this time as well. ये दोनों गलत जा रहे हैं. एक इमोशन भरी पिक्चर आई थी ईद पर, तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट है. उसे मद्देनज़र रखकर हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट डाला है. इमोशन कम है, लेकिन प्लॉट बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. प्लॉट बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो दिस फुल ऑन आपने देखा ही है इसके ट्रेलर और प्रोमोज और गानों के अंदर के. इट्स अ फुल ऑन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म.
अतुल जी, दोबारा आपको पर्दे पे हम कब देखेंगे?
आपकी ख्वाहिश है ऐसी? जरूर कोशिश करेंगे.
घर चले जाओ, आप देख लोगे उनको पर्दे.
Salman, towards your left.
पर्दे पे देखना है, पर्दे में देखना है, आप वो डिसाइड करो.
Alright, this gentleman,
Salman sir, your center.
अगर मीरा ने आपको अलाउ कर दिया तो.
Salman sir, your center. Rahul here from the Filmi Charcha. Center sir. सर, भारत शब्द नाम सुनते ही सबसे पहले अगर जहन में कुछ आता है तो हमारा देश आता है सर. आपके लिए गौरव की बात है सर कि आपके फिल्म का नाम भी भारत है और आपके किरदार का भी. देखा जाए तो एक साथ तीन भारत की जिम्मेदारी आपके कंधों पर है. किरदार का, फिल्म का, देश का। तो सर तीनों को किस तरह से आप एक दूसरे से जोड़ते हैं और कद्र और इज्जत कायम रखने के लिए क्या क्या तैयारी हुई है सर?
बड़ा ही अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने।
दोबारा पूछूं सर?
नहीं नहीं, अगर अगर आपने वो सवाल दोबारा पूछा तो जवाब भी उसी सवाल में है। जो आपका सवाल था वही जवाब भी था। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सवाल पूछने का और जवाब देने का।
सर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे, बोलिए
हाँ,
सर।
मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि पिक्चर का नाम भारत है। मेरे किरदार का नाम भी भारत है, मेरा कैरेक्टर नाम भारत है और हमारे देश का भी नाम भारत ही है।
Katrina on your left.
और वहाँ पे भारतीय हैं।
सर दूसरा सवाल ये था, फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है आपका सर कि जितने सफ़ेद बाल मेरे सर पे और दाढ़ी पे है उससे ज़्यादा रंगीन मेरी ज़िंदगी रही है सर। सहमत है सर? क्योंकि ट्रेलर में कुछ झलक दिखा भी है और फिल्म में भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं देखने का। तो सर फिल्म में जितनी रंगीन आपकी ज़िंदगी दिखाई गई है रियल लाइफ में उससे कितना ज़्यादा है या कम है सर?
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा।
On your left,
पर्सनल
Katrina.
जिंदगी
Yeah,
में बड़ा
one sec.
दिलचस्पी रखते हैं बेटा।
We'll address the question to Katrina. Where is that?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Katrina, hi. This is Simran Singh here. So first of all, congratulations to you and the team for the fantastic trailer. So मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि हमने जब ट्रेलर देखा था, we loved your camaraderie and chemistry with Bhaijan. And now when we see this song, it's like you have a supportive role. Apart from that, it's a meaty role. It's a supportive role also. So you only share some light about your character and what you have brought in the matter of interpretation regarding the character.
बाजी इनके लिए भाईजान नहीं है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। हमारे लिए।
I think you rightly said. I think what you said is
क्या
exactly.
भरोसा, भाईजान भी बुला सकते हैं।
I think what you said is exactly the way it is in the film. That's why, as I said earlier, for me, I really, really count this among one of my best, if not my best characters that I've gotten a chance to play so far. It's exactly as you said. She's a support for Bharat's character throughout the film. So her journey also continues on with him in the film. So there was a lot of work. I won't go into too much detail now because I think there's some surprises we want to save for the film. But there's a huge amount of work which has gone into every era in the film, each time, each year, as you're showing, the years go ahead, to get that look right, to get the essence of that time right, and just really to make the character as believable as possible, which I think we spared no effort and we left no stone unturned to try and do the best that we could.
Salman, towards your left. Hi.
In one word, basically कह रही कि इस फिल्म के लिए उनको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलेगा। Seriously, without jokes, देख लेना आप, because she's so good in the film, she's worked so hard in the film कि ये तो निश्चित है, तय है कि अगर मिलेगा तो नेशनल अवार्ड तो इन्हीं को मिलेगा। तो इस बूढ़े का जो स्वैग है, जो इसकी एनर्जी है, it's not like not that kind of बुजुर्ग. He's not marhum types बुजुर्ग. He's a very young. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bhushan sir, lots and lots and lots of films coming up in the next 6-7 months. You've been a very, very busy gentleman. I have to mention this to you all. He's listening to songs standing outside also. He's finishing work right there also. You're constantly on the job, but the songs are done really well. And social media is a great way to figure out, even though it's Katrina and Salman, yes, you know that it's going to be a wave, but still they're done really well. So it must make you very happy and proud.
You're very happy, but Salman bhai was not happy with the promotion. तो वही मैं उनको बता रहा हूँ कि इट इज़ ग्रोइंग वेरी वेल भाई, हर जगह पे नंबर 1 हो गया गाना और ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा होएगा ये गाना जिंदा
वाला
जी
Very
special जिंदा वाला वो तो तुम्हारे पास है ही नहीं, वो तो यशराज के पास है।
There's so much in this film, Katrina. You're looking fabulous, you're looking lovely. I have to say, this is like so many different avatars that you're living in this film as well. So this is also a great opportunity for you also. You're showing so many sides of you. You must be really happy when you jumped in. You're jumping in a little later, as is well documented. But kudos to you. Picked up the gauntlet and you just carried forward amazingly well.
Yeah, I think for me it was, honestly, I feel it's once in a lifetime character. And it's a character which the minute I read, I fell in love with completely. And I was just so extremely excited, and I was very happy to be given this opportunity, or to get an opportunity like this to enact this character. And honestly, every day on this film has just been so fulfilling as an actor. I think it's definitely my most incredible experience working with Ali. We've done three
Thank you,
films.
Priyanka.
We've done 3 films together, but I can honestly say that this film has been the best experience so far. And I think we're just all super, super excited now for everyone to see the film.
You know, one second, I just want to add to that look also. Was there a lot of thought that went into कि मूंछ कैसी होनी चाहिए, दाढ़ी कैसी होनी चाहिए? You know, because it looks. I mean, obviously
Yes,
you.
there was. I'm
Yeah?
answering that.
How
from
many
Ali's
different
side.
mooches did we see? How many different mooches and daadis did you try out?
Mooches.
हेलो सलमान
अरे
जी
आंसर तो करने दो.
क्या कटरीना जवाब देंगी इसका?
No, Ali, I mean, there was almost never a day on set where I didn't come and see Ali staring at Salman's face
Yeah.
and doing this, like this. So much attention has gone on that. So I think there was definitely something very specific in his mind.
पेज
नहीं,
खराब हो
बुड्ढे में भी मैं जवानी का रोल ही करूंगा.
Ali,
हेलो
Chill, we come in the middle of Faridun. Yeah.
Faridun from Bollywood Hangama. Hi sir.
जब मैं 70 का हूँगा तो मैं स्कूल से निकलूंगा, माँ 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 मैं पास हो गया.
अच्छा मेरा
No, sorry. I think maybe that was slightly misquoted. There was never anything like that. Actually, I was fully under the
Liar.
no. I was fully under the impression that they were actually they were going to begin the shoot. And as far as to my knowledge, Priyanka was very much in the film. And actually, it was Ali. He called me up and he said that there's been a little bit of change of plans. There's some reasons for which she's no longer part of the film. And I'm sending you the script, and just read it and just react to it. And he put absolutely no pressure. There was no thing like you're a friend, I'm a friend. It was just purely you react to the script. I read the script, and I called up Ali and I said, I think this is your best work so far. This is your best script, and I've read all of his scripts. So I said, I think this is your best script. I think it's an amazing character for the girl, and I would love to be a part of it. And we just got straight into work.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Salman sir, to your left. Salman sir.
One second. One last question on the.
Salman sir, to your left.
Okay, one second.
Salman sir, to your